Okay, you guys, so I wanted to share with you guys the progress of how I've been going so far. So I haven't been doing this by myself. My husband's been helping me. We've been working on it for about an hour or two every single night. But right now we're going to it's not a Goodwill store, it's something else, more local. So we are dropping off 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 boxes of stuff to donate, and then I'm meeting somebody to sell my little drying rack because I don't need it. But I wanted to share with you guys the stuff we're getting rid of, and then I'm going to show you guys what we have done so far in the basement. Hey everybody, guess what? I'm still at my basement. I want to say thank you to everybody who has supported me on this journey for my basement. It was really hard to do a video like that, but I did, you know, I did read everybody's comments, so yes, but I do want to thank you guys. But again, I mentioned my husband is helping me. I'm not doing this by myself. My mom will be coming down in a couple weeks, so she's helping me with other projects. My in-laws will help me, but I kind of want to mostly just do this by myself and with my husband, and so we're doing pretty great. So I want to give you guys a walkthrough of what we've done so far.
My room is going down here, and you can see it down here, and my room is upstairs. Right now we have it down here.
His room's not coming down here. This is going to be his play area, but I'm here to share with you guys what I did in my basement so far, so let's get ready for the little tour again. So I'm walking down the stairs, so this is what I have done. Now some stuff I have not touched and some stuff I've actually touched, but the first thing you guys notice is right here. It is completely empty. We got rid of the table. I posted it on a buy, sell, and trade where I live, and within an hour somebody took it. So we got that gone, and I sold one more thing that I posted. So I'm slowly starting to sell stuff, but I'm glad that they're going like that. I'm selling it cheap enough just to get rid of it. But we did get rid of the table, so eventually I want to get a rug here, a bigger rug than what we have. But I want to get a big rug here, and we're going to do Ben's stuff here. Now we did add a bunch of boxes, but we did straighten stuff up. As you guys saw, I did donate 6 boxes already, so we got that going on. I still have to go through some of these boxes. Some of this is a little hard for me to get rid of because I'm just like, I'll use it, but then I'm like, I don't. So, you know, I'm just slowly getting rid of it, but it takes time. But a lot of this stuff is, like, all these boxes are food right here, so we got to go through the food. And then some of this is just crap that I got to go through. So we're slowly getting rid of this stuff. But yeah, like, we totally cleaned a lot of this area. We did put all the Christmas stuff away. And then you guys can see a lot of my paper products. That goes about more feet back that way. So we do have a little more storage space. We put all the diapers in the front, but they're kind of buried again, but we don't need them for a couple more months. So we got that. Now Ben's been playing down here while I've been cleaning. So this area is never going to get cleaned completely because he just plays, which is fine. Like, he had to take all this apart, which is fine, but we are slowly cleaning up this area. This will be like the last area we kind of pick up. It's mostly everything over there. But these boxes right here are boxes that I'm getting ready to sell my stockpile with. Now, I've done these before. I've made these videos before showing you guys what I do. So what I do is I fill up these boxes. I fill it up, pretty much fill it up, and then I take everything out of the box and take one picture of everything out of the box, and I post it on Facebook, like a Facebook group that I'm in that's locally in my area, like a buy, sell, and trade site. So I do that, and I mark it like box A, and I say this box A is $30, but we might do $35 depending on what we do in here. But they sell like crazy. They sell super, super fast. So this is how I get rid of some of my stockpile in the winter, because I cannot have a garage sale when there's snow outside. And then I have a friend who wants 3 boxes, so I'm making him some boxes too. So husband's gonna help me fill these boxes up, and I can always show you guys what those boxes look like later, probably in another video, because I'll probably post this before he helps me with that. But there's that area. This area is just complete crap. There is a chair right here, which I want to put the chair somewhere, which we might put it behind the couch in that corner so Ben can kind of just sit and chill. So we got that. But this was my first thing I wanted to get done. I wanted to get this area done. My area where I do my videos, it was a little bit cleaned, and then we kind of messed it up a little bit by moving some stuff around, but this is where I film my videos. This is a backdrop. Everybody asks like, oh, that's so cool. It's just like a little piece of backdrop that I got on Amazon, but a lot of you guys were asking about that. But this is going to be cleared off tonight because I need to do my videos tomorrow, so this will be cleared off later tonight. But like, again, I'll show you guys my process as I'm doing stuff. So here, my pile of my stockpile. Some of these boxes might be empty and some of them might be full. We're slowly going through it, but this is going to be another thing we're working on tonight because I got to start selling my boxes. So we got that. And then this is a little kid's table that is going to go in Ben's play area for his kitchen, so he has a little table to eat at, so we're going to get rid of this. But right now it's just storage stuff. These are craft supplies, which I'm going through. These are empty boxes, again, empty boxes, so we're going through that. But, and then here it's just a little bit better. I mean, we've straightened a lot of stuff up. It's a little bit better than before, so, yeah, and I do want to say thank you guys for everybody who's showing the positiveness on this. I'm going to make this a weekly video showing you guys an update every single week. I'm going to probably post the videos every Saturday because Saturdays are kind of the days where my husband and I get a lot of stuff done. So I wanted to share with you guys on that, but I will be, you know, I will be posting videos for you guys every single week. So again, I'm not doing this all at once. I don't want to overwhelm myself. Yes, I'm pregnant. My husband's doing a lot of the heavy lifting. He's doing a lot of the bending over because it's hard for me to bend over. But we are doing this together, and right now we feel relieved. I mean, we just donated 6 boxes, as you guys saw that. So that's one thing that we're happy about. I plan on donating a whole lot more. I plan on showing you guys more weekly videos. And then I also am going to do another video in the next month or so of my little girl's room. Yeah, her room right now is like a huge toy storage area, so I'm going to slowly show you guys the progress of that. But I think I'm just going to make a cleaning series every single Saturday, but right now it's the basement, then it's going to be her room, and then it's going to be something else. So just get in there, you guys. So if you guys, you know, I love it. I want 2019 to go off with a bang by getting rid of a lot of stuff. I showed you guys last week the snow we had. It's all gone. It's 50 degrees outside. 50. It's crazy. So, yes. But again, I want to say thank you guys. I know you guys are getting sick of this, me saying thank you, but I'm just going to keep showing you guys my progress, you know. So, husband's going to go somewhere with a friend, and then when he comes back, we're going to eat dinner, and then we're going to do some more stuff. So, I'll show you guys my videos as they go on. But again, thanks for watching. Thanks for the support, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye-bye.